everyone, I'm Audrey, and I hope that the sound is working good because I have no idea where the microphone is, and there's like this really bad noise that's probably going. So yeah, so we are back. It might be a different time of day, but we're back. I didn't do anything. It's just the same. So, I don't have much money. I need to ask Tristan what he's up to. Tristan, the queue of the swinging ship is full. So I'm thinking, if I delete this and I can make the queue a little bit longer, I think everything will be good. Oh. No, what'd I do? Oh, wow. I'll just put that back. I'm gonna close that for now. So we will remove this ship, and then we will remove, or no, we will add it back again. Weird. I don't have enough money. That's sad. Guys, let's go check out some other people's coasters. See, this is what I'm talking about. Where are your people? Are they all on this one ride? F. Whoa, bro, look at all those people. Oh, it's a people trap. I get it now. Okay, guys, so I'm just making money right now. I think I'm making money. I hope I'm making money. Let's see if I can make it a little bit more expensive, and I will get so much money. Oh, man. Okay, so guys, hey, look, I'm half a star rating. What's wrong? I want to see. Oh yeah, I need those benches. Oof, I forgot. Let's see if I can get the swinging ship yet. No, I really think I should seats. So maybe if I can add a really cheap bench, just a small bench for people to sit down over there. Okay. What do you want? I'm hungry. Oh gosh, I forgot. I have to add the pizza stuff. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, yo. Let's do the pizza. Let's add the pizza, but make it a little expensive. Because pizza is expensive. So, yeah. Just gonna put pizza over there. Add that path over there. Because I'm gonna put the key over there, and I want this to still be near. I want you. I want you to be 15, no, 20. Let's see if they'll pay. $20? Will you pay? Will you pay? 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 Will you pay? 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 Hurry up, everyone's waiting. Pay? Yay, I got a payer. You just got pizza. How are you still hungry? What about, okay. What about Julie? Teacups is too expensive. Bro, you see how poor I am right now? If you want me, you need to dispose of some trash. You need to dispose of some trash as well. 1, 2, 3. I'll lower the price by 3. The thoughts, I want to ride teacups, then ride teacups. I need to dispose of some trash. Well, that's not the right way. Okay, guys, my money's earnings. Like, what happened? Meow! Okay. Yes, more money. Oh, guys, I just need $200 more, and then, what's that button? Receive button. For 10 Robux, what about 1 Robux? For 1 Robux, how much would I get? Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so close. I just need to add that one ride again, because that ride will get me a lot of money. So, what would you like? The restroom stall is too... No, I don't want you guys to pay to have to go to the restroom. No. I'm not gonna make you pay to go to the restroom. I'm hungry. Okay, then get some food. Oh, I really don't want them to have to pay to go to the restroom. Like, how crazy is that? That's just not nice. Oh, guess what? Guys, one time, I went to this McDonald's place in Paris, and they made you pay to go to the restroom. It's like, why? I have to go. I gotta go. Ooh, bro. Guys, look at this line. Look at this line. Look at this line. Oh, I can do it now. Jeez, took you long enough. Okay. Intense rides. Swinging the ship. What's the name? Wait 1 second. Wait. 1 second, guys. Okay, I got all the money back. Almost all the money. You'd pass. There, now you guys can use that. Oh, maybe I should, like, open it? Make it $17. Open. Okay. There's my boot to the swinging ship. No, I want to clean up that trash. Yes, someone's going into my beautiful. I should probably, be nice. I don't want to, but I probably should. There, now you guys can leave. How much money do you, like, start with? Oh, guys, I gotta go, but I'll see you next time. Bye!